You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name in English. And yes, there is a bit of a confusion. I believe there's another video on the internet, on YouTube also, that says it's pronounced as Casie. It might be that in some cases it's Casie. If you are a Casie and you pronounce it Casie, let us know in the comments, let everybody know, it'd be interesting. But it's generally in English pronounced, the most common English pronunciation is as Casie. Yes, indeed, Casie. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.